Hello children, what's going on? For this day, we are going to talk about jobs. Let's start. Vocabulary jobs. Actor, actor. Dancer, dancer. Doctor, doctor. Firefighter, firefighter. Journalist, journalist. Nurse, nurse. Pilot, pilot. Sport commentator, sports commentator. Teacher, teacher. Cook, cook. Dentist, dentist. Farmer, farmer. Footballer, footballer. Mechanic, mechanic. Painter, painter. Secretary, secretary. Swimmer, swimmer. Writer, writer. Okay, this is the end of video. Bye bye.